If you've ever created a poll in WordPress and wished you could let users choose more than one answer, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on multiple choice in a poll using the Opinion Stage WordPress plugin, updated for 2025. It's simple, fast, and instantly makes your polls more interactive and useful. So stick with me. First, make sure you have the Opinion Stage plugin installed. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, open the plugin repository, and search for Opinion Stage. Install it, activate it, and then either log in or create a new account if it's your first time. After a quick onboarding, you'll land on the creation screen where you can build any format Opinion Stage offers. In our case, we're focusing on polls. You can start from one of the ready-made templates in the library. They've got everything from standard polls to image polls, thumbnail polls, and more. But to keep things clear, let's build one from scratch. Create a new poll, give it a title, add a description if you'd like, and choose your layout. You can even add an intro image or video to make it stand out. Next, add your answer options, however many you need. And now comes the part you're here for, to turn on multiple choice. Look for the poll settings panel inside the editor. Under voting settings, simply enable the option that allows users to select more than one answer. You can also set limits if you want to allow, for example, up to 2 choices instead of unlimited. Once you turn that on, your poll instantly becomes a multi-select poll. From here, you can explore additional advanced features if you want, like blocking repeat votes, adding a lead form, scheduling an automatic poll closing time for contests, or customizing the poll design. Opinion Stage gives you a lot of flexibility. When you're ready, hit create, and your poll is good to go. To embed it on your site, you can copy the WordPress shortcode, or if you're using the Gutenberg editor, simply add the Opinion Stage block, pick your poll, and insert it into your post. Classic editor users can insert polls using the dedicated button above the editor. You can even add polls to your sidebar using the built-in widget. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've set up a fully functioning multiple choice poll in WordPress, ready to boost engagement and gather better insights from your audience. If you found this quick guide helpful, feel free to explore more features inside Opinion Stage. It's simple to use, powerful when you need it, and your polls will look great every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your new interactive polls.